Let's delve into the world of handling dates and times in PHP. This video will cover the formatting options available in PHP, including how to use built-in formats and also create your own custom formats. The most fundamental way to format dates and times in PHP is by using the date function. The date function takes a format string as its argument and returns a string representing the date and time, formatted according to the format string provided. An example of the date function is date opening parenthesis single quote capital Y hyphen lowercase m hyphen lowercase d space capital H colon lowercase I colon lowercase s single quote closing parenthesis semicolon. This will output the year, month, day, hours, minutes, and seconds separated by hyphens and a colon. The date function formats the current timestamp using these format strings. Let's explore the characters used to represent various parts of a date and time. These characters are case-sensitive, so pay attention to capitalization. For date formats, capital Y represents a 4-digit year, like 2024. Lowercase y represents a 2-digit year, like 24. Lowercase m represents the month as a number from 01 to 12. Lowercase d represents the day of the month, from 01 to 31. For time formats, capital H represents the hour and 24-hour format, from 00 to 23. Lowercase h represents the hour and 12-hour format, from 01 to 12. Lowercase I represents the minutes, from 00 to 59. Lowercase s represents the seconds, from 00 to 59. Let's look at some basic examples of how to use the date function with different format strings. First, date opening parenthesis single quote capital Y hyphen lowercase m hyphen lowercase d single quote closing parenthesis semicolon will output the date in the format of year, month, and day. For example, 2024-03-15. Next, date opening parenthesis single quote lowercase d lowercase m capital Y single quote closing parenthesis semicolon will output the date in the format of day, month, and year. For example, 15-03-2024. Finally, date opening parenthesis single quote capital F space lowercase j comma space capital Y single quote closing parenthesis semicolon will output the date in a more readable format. For example, March 15, 2024. Here are a few time formatting examples using the date function. First, date opening parenthesis single quote capital H colon lowercase I colon lowercase s single quote closing parenthesis semicolon. This will output the time in 24-hour format as hours, minutes, and seconds. For example, 14:30:25. Next, date opening parenthesis single quote lowercase h colon lowercase I space capital A single quote closing parenthesis semicolon will output the time in 12-hour format with AM or PM. For example, 02:30 space PM. Finally, date opening parenthesis single quote capital Y hyphen lowercase m hyphen lowercase d space capital H colon lowercase I colon lowercase s single quote closing parenthesis semicolon will output the date and time combined. For example, 2024-03-15 space 14:30:25. For a more object-oriented approach to handling dates and times, PHP provides the DateTime class. To create a DateTime object, use the new keyword followed by DateTime, opening and closing parentheses, and a semicolon. To format the DateTime object, use the format method, passing in the format string. For example, a variable called date equals new DateTime opening and closing parentheses semicolon echo variable date arrow format opening parenthesis single quote capital Y hyphen lowercase m hyphen lowercase d space capital H colon lowercase I colon lowercase s single quote closing parenthesis semicolon. The DateTime class provides an object-oriented approach to date manipulation. Now let's see how to create some custom date and time formats using different format characters. First, date opening parenthesis single quote lowercase l, comma, space, capital F, space, lowercase j, capital S, space, capital Y, single quote, closing parenthesis, semicolon. This will output the full day name, followed by the month and day with the day suffix, and then the year. For example, Friday, comma, March, space, 15th, th, space, 2024. Next, date, opening parenthesis, single quote, capital D, space, capital M, space, lowercase j, space, capital G, colon, lowercase I, single quote, closing parenthesis, semicolon will output the abbreviated day name, abbreviated month name, day, and the hour and minute in 24-hour format. For example, Friday, space, Mars, space, 15, space, 14, colon, 30. Finally, date, opening parenthesis, single quote, lowercase c, single quote, closing parenthesis, semicolon, will output the date and time in ISO 8601 format. For example, 2024-03-15 capital T 14 colon 30 colon 25 plus 00 colon 00. To wrap things up, let's go over some best practices for working with dates and times in PHP. Always use the DateTime class for complex operations. This class offers a more robust and flexible way to manipulate dates and times. Consider time zone handling. Be aware that dates and times are often time zone specific, and your code should account for this. Use ISO 8601 for storage. This format is universally recognized and makes it easier to exchange date and time data between systems. On the other hand, do not assume the user's time zone. Always ask for it. Do not hardcode date formats. Use the format characters to create dynamic formats. Finally, do not ignore local settings. Be aware of how local settings can affect date and time formatting. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.